Hello there, in this video I will show you how to install hard drive in an eyedea DVR without SATA cable. Here we have two DVRs. This one has SATA cables, you can see. So it is very easy to install hard drive. Just need to plug the cables. But this DVR, it doesn't have SATA cables, but it does have the ports for hard drive. Now I will show you how to install hard drive with two DVRs. Here I got surveillance hard drive. You can see here you have two ports. So for this DVR, we just need to plug the cables. Yeah. Now we just need to fix the hard drive in the DVR. Now I will show you how to install hard drive in the DVR without SATA cable. Here. First we point the hard drive. Put hard drive in the DVR. And try to push it into the ports. We need to find, yeah, you can feel it. You can feel it when the ports match. Now we hold here and turn the DVR back. Hold here. You can see the screw holes match. Now we got the screws for the hard drive. Hold here, turn it back. Make sure the holes for screws match. Or fix it.